Hi, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tarot Reader Shravanti, and in this particular video I'm going to talk to you about yet another very important stock which got launched in 2022. It is a very famous brand known for its apparels, that is clothing, and for the designer clothing, weddings and celebrations. It's none other than MANYAVAR under the brand Vedant Fashion. So this particular IPO got launched in the early 2022, and with this February it will be completing 1 year. So I just want to give you an idea about how the trend of this particular stock is going to be, the long-term trend. So welcome back to my channel once again, and before we go into the nitty-gritties, I want to give you the disclaimer like as usual when I talk about a video in stock market. I just want to make it very clear that this is a full astrological analysis purely based on planetary combinations and other aspects. Yes, we know the basics of stock market. We are having a certain knowledge about all the technical details, how the volume, price, volume, action, everything is there, but still when it comes to analysis of a stock, this is only an astrological analysis. So please just view it from the angle of an astrological analysis and the trend of the long term of a stock. Please do not use it for personal use because we cannot give you a certain guarantee. This is not a short term view or short term trading suggestion which I am giving. It's a long-term investment suggestion. So let us go into the chart of Vedant Fashion which got launched in the date February 16th 2022. So please note down the launch date is February 16th 2022, and I will now display the chart. So it is Meena Lagna. So Lagna is Meena. Those who know astrology, you can just follow. Otherwise, you can just listen to it. I will be giving you the results soon. So, Lagna is Meena, 3rd house has Rahu, 5th house has Moon, 9th house has Ketu, 10th house has Venus and Mars, 11th house has Saturn and Mercury, 12th house has Jupiter and Sun. Okay, so this is the planetary combination. It has got launched in Astrologer Nakshatra. The Dasha Bhukti of during the time of launch is Buddha Dasha Shani Bhukti, which means it was almost towards the last end of the nakshatra, and Buddhan Dasha will stay till 2025 oddish. So it has got opened in the price 933. So on the launch date, the opening price of this stock is 933. So today, as of now, I am speaking on the date 4th January 2023. So in the morning I just checked the stock price. It is 1327. Okay, so it is almost 42% more than the opening price. So how has the trend been? You can itself, as a normal person, you can itself say 42% increase in a period of 10 months is actually a good returns. But when we look into the financials of the company, the 6 months returns shows it's 33%, and the profit of the company has also been stable. Okay, let us go to the very important astrological analysis. The Lagna Lord and the 10th Lord is in the 12th house, which means the performance of the company can be very volatile. So we cannot say this is going to be a stable company, a company which will consistently perform year on year, quarter on quarter. So the performance and the planning and the financial goals of this company can have lots of ups and downs because the Lagna Lord and the 10th Lord is in the 12th house along with the 6th Lord. So you have to note it down. And now when I looked into the financials of the company, the debt to equity ratio was 0.03. Some 3% of the company's revenue I think is in live debts. So but since the Lagna Lord is associated with the 6th Lord, in the long term we can expect Vedant Fashion to get into debts. So it might not be lot of depths, but since 6th lord is in 12th house, mild depths here and there can be possible. Now 5th lord is in the 5th house, 9th lord is in the 10th house, and 2nd lord is in the 10th house. Because 10th house has Venus and Mars, actually other aspects, that is not the direct performance, indirect factors in this company can actually influence a lot, including the power, the person who is the head. So if the person, the CEO or the head or of the company's horoscope is really strong, then this company will do very well, because the 9th lord is in the 10th house. So the performance of the company depends entirely on the leadership. It does not mean that all the companies this is the fundamental case, but in this particular chart that will be more, the influence of the leaders and the management will be more. And the 11th lord is in the 11th house along with the 4th and the 7th lord. So which means 7th signifying marriage and 4th signifying some kind of a place, vehicles. So this particular company will get maximum revenue because of the marriage market opening up, new places opening up of new stores, branches, expansion is much possible for their income to increase. Now the Dasha Bhukti in which Vedant fashion has got launched is Buddhan Dasha and Shani Bhukti. So Shani Bhukti will be there till 2025. So the next 2.5 years the performance, because it's 11th lord Bhukti, will be actually good. Unlike last previous charts, even though this particular chart has its 11th lord in 10th lord in 12th house, but since 11th lord Bhukti is happening, it can be good. But when will a tough time, when will the bearish trend in this particular stock start, is when Saturn will transit onto the 12th house from its Lagna, and Rahu Ketu will transit into the Lagna lord and the 7th lord. So we can expect a kind of a flat trend when it comes to Vedant fashion. And since Vedant fashion's time during the opening, the 10th lord is weak, the performance can be highly unstable. So how do we come to a conclusion whether this Vedant fashion will do really well? See, one is the Bhukti is good, which is an indicator that the next 2.5 years the stock might grow. But will it give massive results, like will it grow multifold, will it double up in the next 1.5 2 years? No, that won't be the case. There is going to be growth, but there is also going to be a lot of challenges which is going to be faced by this particular stock. Thank you for watching this video, and keep watching a lot of my videos to know a lot about politics, stock market, about your personal astrology and health, and a lot of other things. And if you want to personally get in touch, you can always visit my website, and we also have the WhatsApp number in the display. You can always go and have a look. Thank you.